Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into Monarch Money application using your mobile device. To log in and manage your Monarch Money account, the first thing you'll need is to open your Monarch Money application from your app drawer. Once you open the app, this will be the first interface of Monarch Money. To log into your existing account, click on the Sign In button at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. In the Sign In area, tap on one of the login methods. You can log in using your Apple account, with your Google account, or if you've previously signed up using email and password, type in your email in the Email tab. Since I used my email to sign up before, let me type in my email address. Right where it says password, enter your account's password that you've previously set while signing up. After filling in your credentials, tap on Sign In and you will be able to log in to your Monarch Money account. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.